Hello, my name is Coulter. I'm an engineer at Verkada, and this video will cover using maps and floor plans for contextual overviews of your cameras. Verkada's integrated map view makes it easy for users to monitor their camera fleet and find devices based on a specific site or location. Start by navigating to the cameras page and clicking on the map icon. This immediately pulls up the integrated map view where you can see all cameras in your organization grouped by site. The number indicates the quantity of cameras in each location, while the colored ring indicates the current status of those devices. A green ring indicates that all cameras are online and recording, while any yellow or red indicates issues with a subset of devices. A blue ring indicates devices that are currently in the process of updating firmware. Click on a specific site to zoom in on the map. You'll start to see each camera broken out individually based on location. From here, you can easily identify any cameras that are currently offline or experiencing issues. Additionally, you can see a specific camera's live view by clicking on its icon. If you want to enter this camera's page, you can do so by clicking on the live view. Floor plans are another tool that can be used to get a contextual overview of your Verkada deployment and easily find specific devices. Click on the product menu and select floor plans. Here, you can see all cameras and their relevant locations. Camera names will appear when you mouse over a camera icon. To see a camera's live view, click on the camera of interest. To turn on live motion for the floor plan, click Motion Detection. This feature will cause cameras on the floor plan to pulse when people motion is detected, making it easy to visualize where people are moving throughout a facility at any given time. The People heat map feature displays a heat map of where people have been seen most often by the cameras on the floor plan, a helpful means to gauge space utilization. Traffic from the last hour is displayed by default. To change the time interval, simply select the desired value. Historical heat maps can be viewed by selecting the date and time of interest using the date picker. Finally, to share a floor plan, click on the three-dot menu and select Share Floor Plan. From here, enter the phone number or email of the person you'd like to share the floor plan with. Specify whether you'd like this person to be able to access the live video only, or if you'd like them to have additional features like live motion and people heat maps. You can also specify for how long this person will be able to access the shared floor plan. Once you've selected the desired settings, click Send Link to share the floor plan. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have further questions, please visit our Knowledge Center or contact our 24/7 support team.